So you got your small business going and you want to go ahead and promote your business on LinkedIn, but then realize that you don't have enough funds to hire a social media marketing team. Well, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned as I give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to utilize ChatGPT in creating your content strategy plan for LinkedIn.
Learning AI, we're here to educate. Teaching the community AI tools the latest. Unlocking the potential, knowledge at your hands. Together we rise, ain't no limit on demand. Step into the future, join the AI revolution.
What's good, y'all? Welcome to the Black Learning AI YouTube channel, where I help our community by giving them tutorials on how to use the various different AI tools that are out there so that you can implement them into your everyday life, your work environment, and into your small business. All right, so today I'm going to go ahead and go over a tutorial on how to use ChatGPT in creating your LinkedIn social media content strategy. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into it. All right, so I already have my ChatGPT pulled up. Let me go ahead and close this up. And if you haven't already done so, I suggest that you look at the brand strategy YouTube video that I've done previously, because you'll be caught up on where I'm at on this. So I ended up in that tutorial, ended up creating a business called Black in Yoga. It's a women's yoga apparel line. All right, so I already have a brand strategy created using ChatGPT, and I'm going to utilize that brand strategy in creating a LinkedIn content strategy plan. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my grab my prompt. All right, so the prompt that I'm using is very simple. I'm not going to go into detail on how to create a very well detailed prompt, but this prompt will get the job done, especially if you're using the brand strategy that you created for your business. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it. I'm going to copy it from my notes. I'm going to go ahead and post it down here. I'm going to go ahead and read it to you guys. As an expert brand strategist and expert social media manager, use all the following information above for Black in Yoga's brand strategy to write a detailed LinkedIn content strategy plan to grow followers and connections exponentially weekly for the first quarter of 2024. In this LinkedIn content strategy plan, write what days Black in Yoga should post and what Black in Yoga should post to get awareness on their brand. Make sure that the plan includes educational posts teaching about the benefits of women doing yoga in their daily lives. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the send message using ChatGPT. Again, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out the brand strategy plan, how to create a brand strategy plan for your business or your business idea. It's a really good, quick and dirty tutorial that just gives you a lot of information and makes things simple for you guys. All right. So here it's already spewing out LinkedIn content strategy plan for quarter 1 of 2024. All right, let's let it clear up. This channel is specifically for our community, because we're going to get left behind if we don't learn how to utilize these tools, especially ethically, but just using all of the various different tools that AI is coming out with. All right, so go ahead and take the time to learn this information and use this information so that you can either start a business, implement it in your work environment. I mean, the list goes on. If you want to become a content strategist, implementing these AI tools and these various AI tools will help you. You do not have to go out and purchase courses that are out there or purchasing prompts out there. I'm giving you simple prompts. All of these prompts that I'm using in these tutorials will be in the description of each tutorial video. So make sure that you grab these free prompts and that you check out these tutorials. All right, so we're going to go ahead. I'm not going to read throughout all of what they came up with, or maybe I will. All right, So here it is. Here's the response that ChatGPT 4 gave us. Developing a LinkedIn content strategy plan for Black in Yoga involves leveraging the platform's professional and community-oriented environment to grow brand awareness, followers, and connections. This strategy will focus on positioning Black in Yoga as a thought leader in the fitness apparel industry, particularly for African American women, and emphasizing the benefits of yoga in their daily lives. All right. So LinkedIn content strategy plan for Q1 2024. Week 1 through 4, you're going to do a brand introduction and awareness. Post schedule. This is for Q1. All right. The first 4 weeks. Post schedule. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Content focus. On Mondays, introduction to Black and Yoga. Share posts about the brand's mission, vision, values, and unique offerings. Highlight the importance of diversity and representation in fitness apparel. Okay. Wednesdays, educational post about the benefits of yoga. Discuss how yoga can positively impact mental and physical health, particularly for women. All right. Fridays, product highlights. Showcase specific items from the Black in Yoga collection, emphasizing their unique features and cultural relevance. Then you got week 5 through 8, community engagement and empowerment. Post schedule, you're doing Tuesdays and Thursdays. Content focus, Tuesday, success stories. Share testimonials and stories from customers and community members who have been positively impacted by Black in Yoga and yoga practice. All right. Thursdays, yoga and wellness tips. Provide practical tips on incorporating yoga into daily routines, focusing on its benefits for both personal and professional life. Now, week 9 through 13, building thought leadership. Post schedule, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Content focus, Mondays, industry insights. Share posts about trends in fitness apparel, particularly those relevant to African American women, positioning Black in Yoga as an industry expert. Wednesdays, yoga practice deep dive. Delve into different aspects of yoga, such as various styles, history, and its significance in different cultures with focus on African heritage. Fridays, behind the scenes. Give followers a glimpse into the Black in Yoga design process, team culture, and daily operations, humanizing the brand and building a connection with the audience. Cross-week strategies, engagement. Actively engage with comments, messages, and posts from other industry professionals and potential customers. This includes liking, commenting, and sharing relevant content, collaborations and partnerships, regular updates, visual consistency. I mean, you can get the gist of what they're doing. So now you have a strategy. You have a LinkedIn content strategy plan for Q1 2024. But you're like, okay, I have the plan. Now that you have your content strategy for LinkedIn, now you're trying to figure out, okay, what do I post? Yeah, this sounds great and everything else. But now what do I post on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays? So now I'm going to go ahead and do a whole strategy on what a post strategy for LinkedIn on what you should post on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. It's going to give you exactly what to post on those days for LinkedIn. So I'm going to go ahead up here in my notes and I am going to grab the prompt that I already have created. All right. And I'm going to grab it, copy, paste it here. And I'm going to go ahead and read it too, also to you guys. All right. As an expert brand strategist and expert social media manager, use Black in Yoga's brand strategy, LinkedIn strategy, and YouTube strategy above to write out a concise, detailed, and engaging posting topics and ideas from January 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2024, which includes 3 posts per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, including the dates, and put it in highlighted bullet format. Be concise and detailed on what should be done and posted on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, and why. Now remember, folks, you have to be detailed and concise on what you want. All right. And this prompt, all these prompts in this video will be listed below in the description. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and send the message. And it's crafting a cohesive and engaging social media plan for you. All right. So let's give it a few seconds. Now, as you can see, it's giving you what you should post on what days, exactly what I asked. Okay. And this is taking a minute, so let's just bear with me for a second. All right. I'm hoping you guys are liking these tutorials, and giving you step-by-step tutorials, because again, it took me a lot to mess around and figure out and come up with prompts, and realize that the more detailed that I am, the better results I get. All right. So I hope these tutorials are helping you. All right. So I'm gonna just go ahead and read what it came up with so far. So, crafting a cohesive and engaging social media content plan for Black in Yoga involves integrating elements from the brand, LinkedIn, and YouTube strategies. The following is a detailed and concise plan for posting topics and ideas from January 1st to March 31st, 2024, with 3 posts per week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, sometimes it'll stop. So it stopped right here. So go ahead and continue generating, and it'll continue to generate. All right. So as it's continuing to generate, let me show you what January is. Okay. January is brand introduction and product highlight. So week 1, January 1st, on Monday, new year, new beginnings. Introduce Black in Yoga with a powerful brand story post. January 3rd, Wednesday, Wellness Wednesday. Discuss the benefits of yoga for mental health. January 5th, Friday, Feature Friday. Showcase a signature apparel item with a compelling visual and product story. Week 2, January 8th, Monday, Motivation Monday. Share an inspirational quote or message aligned with the brand's values. January 10th, Wednesday, Yoga Pose Tutorial. Post a beginner-friendly yoga pose with instructions. January 12th, Friday, Fashion Focus. Highlight an apparel piece focusing on its unique design elements. All right, then you got week 3, January 15th, Monday, Cultural Connection. Discuss the cultural significance behind a design element. January 17th, Wednesday, Health Benefits. Share how yoga contributes to physical fitness. January 19th, Friday, Customer Spotlight. Feature a customer story or testimonial. And it goes on and on all the way through March 31st. Okay, so the last post, it doesn't go exactly to the 31st, because the last Friday in March is March 26th. All right, for 2024. And so that last post for March 26th is seasonal transition. Discuss transitioning apparel choices for the new season. This plan integrates key aspects of the Black and Yoga brand, focusing on storytelling, community engagement, and practical advice. The goal is to build a strong, engaged online community that resonates with the brand's mission and values. All right. So I hope this tutorial has helped you realize what ChatGPT can do in your daily lives, in your business, and in the workforce for you.